Hey, what's up guys, this is John, and today in this video you are gonna get Android P status bar on your current Android device. Yes, it's without root your phone. So let's do it. So first of all, hit the bell icon. No, hit the subscribe icon in my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any feature from Android P, which is really coming so soon. So download status by X, link is given in the description, and install it. When you are done installing, open the application. So here, when you are opening the app for the first time, you have to enable some options so that it can work. So first of all, enable this option, and here you can see some access. Ignore battery optimization. If you want, you can ignore it. It's really not necessary, so I'm ignoring it. Then draw overlay access. You have to access it from like this. I'm accessing. Just follow my direction and do the same so that you don't get any problem. Then access this notification access and allow. After that, continue and status service. From here, select this status service and enable this option. Then you are good to go. All access is enabled. So after that, enable this option again, and you can see the new status bar on the top. So need to change some settings obviously, because it's not like the Android P. Then go to icon. First of all, go to clock. You know that clock is on the left side in Android P, so I'm gonna do it, alignment, and then left. Okay, it's done. Then I have to remove this AM PM option, so go to time format and I'm deleting this option. Then okay, it's done. If you want, you can change the size from here, text size, and many more. Battery icon, I'm gonna enable the battery percentage from there. If you want, you can even change the battery icon from here. All icon you can change from there. Wi-Fi icon, I don't like that at all, so I'm changing it. Here it is. If you want, you can change every icon from here, every icon size, every icon alignment, pairing, many more from here. Like this notifications looks little larger, I don't like that, so I'm changing that icon scale and doing little small, and it looks good to me now, because I don't like those large icon in the notification status bar at all. Enable this option so that it looks good. Here it is. It's almost done. But notch, right? If you are a fan of notch, or your device is already got a notch, it's even not support. Just enable this bump mode and you can see that notch here. I'm not a fan of notch, and my device is not a notch, I mean cut display, so I'm gonna disable this notch, ugly notch from there, and that's it. Everything is here. Even apps, in apps notification color can be changed from here. Like if I go to a application, you can see the status bar is looking black, but if you don't like it, you can change from here. Just go there, select this set color, and from here you can change the color if you the way the color you like, everything. And when you are done, enable this app again, and you can see the status bar color is already changed. This is how you can change the color. And when you are done changing all the application, you need to change color. You can see this ugly notification here. Just tap and hold it. You can directly go this option, and from here you can block that notification so that you don't get any notification there. And I'm showing you the status bar animation. Like if I dismiss a notification, you can see that's the animation. That's how all notification will be gone from there, and animation. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon, because many more Android P features are coming soon. So if you want to get that, subscribe it and follow on the Twitter and Instagram. Many modes are there and you can talk to me there. I'm Ohidul Jaman and signing off.